Welcome back in, Trey Lowell here with Lowell Productions, and in today's video we're taking this background and turning it into this. So our current filming situation is very basic in a lot of what I see on YouTube. Many people kind of just using their basements or their rooms, using natural lighting that you guys can see that we have, just letting it come in, and that's pretty much about it. Let's go ahead and start with the number one thing I think that's useful for a YouTube studio or environment, and that's going to be control. So the first thing we're going to do is actually close all the blinds behind me, and then we're going to take complete control of the room. That way we're not going in and out with exposure, and we will build from there. Okay, so at this point, no lights, same setup, but we've pretty much gotten complete control of the room by shutting the blinds, turning off all the house lights. So we are now going to start with one light and build from there, and I will walk you guys through the process. Light number one, just a little bitty light in the background, an accent light. Let's jump to number two. This is actually going to be the lamp, just very lightly behind me. Number three is going to be some desk lighting. I actually think it makes the computer pop, and when combined with the rest of the lighting is really going to bring that portion of the video to life, or that portion of the set. So that light that actually just came on is one of my favorite lights. Its whole purpose is to make me separate from the background and lightly hit the shoulder and hit the back of my head. So that backlight is so key, and I started using that in my YouTube videos recently, and I really do think it brings the scene to life and it separates me from the background. Okay, so now we've added a ton of color with some LED bulbs that I have hanging from the ceiling to basically take one side of the shot, have it be blue over here, and then we have on the other side kind of like the yellow, and those two colors are nice, and you can kind of see as they are kind of more extreme on the sides, and then they lightly blend in together. And our final light, which is our key, which is right off to my right, you guys left, pretty much powered at about 50%. It's a little bitty small GVM LED panel. We've got that little bitty softbox on there, and it's kind of lightly hitting the side of my face with a little bit of a roll off over here. And then with the backlight, everything combined, it's really just a cool looking environment. I will say the two most valuable lights are going to be our key light, and I actually think are going to be the backlight. Now obviously the colors are really what's going to make it like kind of pop and spring out, but if I had to boil down two lights that I love the most, it's going to be my key and it's going to be my backlight, really to just make the face look nice and then just to separate me from the background. So I hope you guys found that video real quickly, kind of starting from nothing and building up, so you guys saw what I think a lot of people are out there doing, which is just using natural light with no control over the lighting situation. So what we did is we took control of that light, we brought the lights in that we had, and we kind of created a nice looking setup here, and we've got that microphone right here for good audio. And hey guys, as always, I hope you found this video, and if so, make sure to hit that like button, and if you like the content I keep creating on this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.